Hey guys, it's Ange McCabe from Myrtle and Moss Photography. I'm so excited to share this 3-part online workshop with you guys. Within these videos, I show you all my secrets about working intimately with my couples and having my viewers feel that same emotion when they look at the photos too. A huge part of this is creating a safe space for my clients to be able to open up. I'm also very meticulous with my overall body language, my hand placement, and my prompts. So included are all of the behind the scenes from an intimate at-home maternity session, a fully styled wedding, as well as a beautiful at-home couples session. After my workshop, I want you to leave feeling so excited and inspired to pick up your camera. I hope you gain the confidence to work more intimately with your couples and really capture that emotion in your images.
So what I'm gonna do, so the light is really good here. Okay. So I'm going to actually get you, Connor, behind Megan. And so this is your space right here. When she's cooking or like cracking the eggs, I want you like all up and in here, okay? It is your zone.
So as you guys can see there, I'm being really directive with my posing and telling them exactly what to do. When I give my couple something to do, like in this case, I'm getting them cooking, you'll note that I'm actually getting them to cook. So that on top of the very prompted stuff that I'm getting them to do, there's also going to be a lot of authentic moments that are cute to capture as well. I'm looking at all of the elements in the shot. I'm looking at the lighting, and you can see here that it is falling down and across her face. It's highlighting her shoulders and her collarbones. And you can see I'm paying attention to all those little details like her shoulder and her arms and even just like her body language and how she's bending her knee.
Gonna get creative. You would never actually cook like this, right? Or maybe you would, I don't know. Okay, so you snuggle up to her, and actually I'm gonna, because her hair is falling down but she needs to look what she's doing, yeah, I'll get you to kind of like brush it out of the way. Do you want to do one with the shirt off and the apron? Want to do that?
Prior to shooting this session, I asked Connor and Megan how intimate they were okay with getting in front of the camera, especially since we had, you know, a bit of a videography crew there as well. And so I only did this because they were comfortable with it. So if you're wanting your couples to get a little bit more racy, definitely have that conversation with them ahead of time, because if I was to ask him to take his shirt off and he didn't feel comfortable with it, it would really throw the vibe off of the whole shoot.
Okay, and then lean right into her. And then maybe put your arms like right, let's see. Yeah, so if you kind of lean right into it like that, put one foot back. So lift your head up one more time, right? Snuggle up even closer if you want. And get your heads really close to your foreheads. Oh, I love that. Perfect, right? And just kind of like play with this chin here a little bit. Amazing. Oh, I love that. Connor, if you put your nose in between her eyebrows. There we go. And then both just turn your heads a little bit towards the sky. There we go. Just a little bit more. But then get your heads, fit them in like a key. There we go.
So as I was checking the back of my camera and just making sure the highlights were exactly where I wanted them, I noticed that their faces weren't quite bright enough. So I just kind of turned them more so towards the direction of the diffuse light coming from the window.
Do that like one more time with the piece. Okay, and then I'm going to shoot right from your angle, okay? And then, I'm literally doing live. Okay, ready? Whoops. Oh, I love that. Yes. This hand, don't worry about your camera. Wrap it around. Yeah, just bring it right in. But I want to see the lights coming from here, so just really work it this way a little bit. That's good. Pull him in a little bit more by his shirt. Just from this angle. Use your left hand if you can. There, and then gorgeous. Maybe put a little bubbles on her shoulder. There, beautiful.
It was the wrap up to our session. Usually I like to leave the more intimate and really romantic photos to the very end of our session. That way when I'm blogging it or when someone's looking at the images, they know that it's kind of the end and that it's probably time for them to go.
Maybe there. It's nice to like shoot through things, because when you're just shooting a place setting, sometimes you don't get all the elements that are part of the table that are really nice. So just throwing in something to add some depth is nice. And I usually shoot around 1.4 or 1.2 for my details.
Knowing ahead of time what the color palette is really important. This way it kind of draws all the elements together. If you're hoping to submit a real wedding to a blog or to a magazine, chances are they'll want a lot of really good detail shots.
All right, so when you're standing, even though I can't see your legs, I want you to kind of do like a hip twist. So just bring that knee across. And then if I ever say just pop your shoulders, just bring that shoulder that's closest to me, then just bring it forward, okay? So look down into your shoulder a little bit, and just pop it up a little bit, and hold the flowers just a little bit lower. Beautiful.
These shoots are very mutually beneficial if it's done right.
Whisper into her ear. Yes, there we go. Oh, I love that. So good. And then you can actually just hold your bouquet like this and really bring your hands, bring that shoulder up. And then just put your head, your temple right against hers, just like that. Nice, and both just look down. This side. Look down, close your eyes. Yes. So good. Holy smokes, she's so hot.
When I'm shooting, I really like to make sure that I'm carrying that energy and just bringing the vibe that I want to capture. So when they're doing a really good job or she's looking really hot, I like to let them know. That way it just keeps their confidence and just kind of keeps the whole vibe of the session going.
And then look out the window. Oh, so good. So beautiful. Okay, then almost kiss for the side. I'm gonna get almost. For 1 second, I'm gonna get you to kiss the other way. Because all the legs. Oh yes. There, yeah. Gorgeous. Now just kiss the shit out of her. There you go. Close your eyes for me. 1, 2, 3 right here. And just leave really soft with this hand.
So when I'm shooting directly into the sun, sometimes it's hard for my camera to focus on my subjects. Even though I shoot with a lens hood more often than not, I still like to put my hand in front of the lens, focus my camera on my couple, and then hold my focus. I use back button focusing, and then when I'm ready to go, make sure I hold that focus and I take my hand away.
Both look here. Oh, these are good. I love these. Sit up a little bit. 1, 2, 3 up here. Go ahead. Come right here. We're gonna work within these trees. It's gonna be so pretty. I feel like I'm going to grab. No, this is good. Oh, this is so good.
So if ever I I was feeling like my poses were getting stagnant or too stiff, I would just get them moving. Or if I had done too many standing poses, I would think, have I got them lying on the ground? Have I got them sitting? Have I got them carrying? Have I spent too long capturing them in a really serious and like deeply romantic way? Maybe it's time to do something a bit more fun and really bring out their personality.
And then if I ever say just like hug love on your tummy, it just seems like usually when and it's just you just do it naturally, right? Yeah, the shoulders usually go up.
Okay.
And then if I ever say like give me some shoulder, so the shoulder that's closest to me, kind of like bring it up to your chin a little bit, or meet your chin. Okay. Exactly. Perfect.
Okay.
Bring your shoulders kind of forward. There we go. Gorgeous. And then both look up here. Okay, both.
So here you can see my nice use of firm grip and soft touch in one photo. So she's really holding onto that cardigan that's falling off her shoulder really tightly, and then really softly holding onto his face. I love this combination of feeling in an image.
Oh, I kind of like the hand just down.
Yeah.
It's really like natural. And Jackson here, one hand. Can you guys get your heads a little closer together, or like get your bodies a little closer together if you can? That way you can like play with his hair, like. So maybe if you like take his chin, so kind of go like this and like bring him to you. Okay. Okay, just let me take a step back here. Oh, that's so cute, like that.
No touching.
Yeah, exactly. Just whatever's naturally good. You guys just. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Face.
Hold that for 1 second. Turn your head a little bit towards the Jax. There we go. Close your eyes.
When we're shooting, there's so many things that we have to keep an eye out for. Body language, wardrobe, hair and making sure it's following the right way, emotion. One thing that I never want to miss out on is hands. I find that hands are such an important part of storytelling, and focusing in on those little moments like him rubbing her arm are just such a nice element that really draws the emotion through in your photos.
So just kind of like, maybe like that, yeah. And then this hand, oh. Yeah, like that. Really kind of bring your hand, there we go. Both arms, kind of doing it. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Put your arms around her tummy. Oh man, this is so pretty in your hair. Close your eyes. Beautiful. Patrick, I'm gonna get you in there. There you go. And this hand, yeah. Oh, that's beautiful, just like that. So good. Oh, this is like freaking stunning. I gotta show you guys. Oh. my gosh, your hair. Holy shit, guys.
So after we lost what little bit of sunlight we had, I changed the direction, and instead of having them backlit like I usually do at sunset, I had them so that the available light was on their faces now. I find that this blue hour gives a really nice glow to skin tones.
Laugh a little bit. And then I want you, can you roll her in? So I want you to like you know the dance move?
Yeah.
So come part out and then roll in. And then this one is gorgeous, that's so good.
So there you have it, guys. I hope that you're able to step outside of your comfort zone and get a little bit more intimate with your couples. I cannot wait to see what you create. Please share with me. I'm so excited to see. As always, thank you so much for all of your support. I wouldn't be doing this without each and every one of you. So thank you so much. I hope you're inspired. Take care. Oh my gosh, that was good except for the end. Okay. Boom. Boom.
Yeah, I know that.
That was good. I wouldn't be here without you guys. Oh, I would be here, but I wouldn't.
We're rolling.
We're rolling. They see me rolling. I hate it.
Yeah.
Oops, hold on, I got an itchy nose. Okay. I think we're good. We're good. So there we have it. No, we do not have it, apparently. Is that okay?
That was great.
All right. Can we clap? Can we clap? Is that okay?
Yeah. Okay, you're doing it.
We're good. Is that a wrap?